You need to learn this. You need to pay at the reception for the breakfast. It's half price.
Hello, this is Jinx and this is my mini review of the Marriott Hotel in Putrajaya, Malaysia.
We are here after a really long flight. It's 4 in the morning. We're checking in here now. We're not going to get a room, of course, because our room is only ready at 2 p.m. later.
So if we have breakfast first, how much would it be?
It will be 42 ringgit per person.
And if we pay downstairs?
It will be 70.
Wow, so much difference.
So you need to learn this. You need to pay at the reception for the breakfast.
Yeah.
It's half price.
Oh, there it is.
This is new. They actually have this indicator to let people know this table has been taken or not. This is quite helpful. They just take this, there's a vacant thing, and change it to occupied. This lobby looks pretty grand and amazing actually. But as you can tell, behind me, the restaurant, the breakfast area is being renovated, so they're using this spot as makeshift breakfast, which is amazing. I just had my initial walk around, my reconnaissance of all the food that's available to be ingested, and I have to say the spread here is quite impressive. Of course, it's the Marriott, right? They've got food from so many regions here, and it's just breakfast. We're gonna taste as much food as we can, taste and see if it's as good as it looks. We're gonna pace ourselves because our room is not gonna be available till at least 12 p.m. So we're gonna stay here and lounge around and gorge ourselves until closing time today. So with that in mind, we're just gonna chill here, let all the people eat the food and then leave while we stay here, have a coffee or 2 or 10, teh tarik or 2 or 10. Wow, that was sweet. This is sweet. Oh, we're back in Malaysia. Okay, the land of sweet beverages. I haven't even had any food here yet, but from the food that I see and for the price that we just paid at 42 ringgit per head, per bald head, inclusive of tax, so it's net. You get the spread that you have here. That's pretty amazing. The advertised price is actually in the 70s, right? But nobody knows that. I mean, people who come from outside who just want to have breakfast here, they're going to just pay downstairs here at this buffet and it's going to be 70 bucks. The trick is to go straight to the reception and pay there, and you get half price pretty much. Fresh milk. Oh, you know what that means when they say there's fresh milk? There must be a cow outside.
If I had to pick a standout dish, it would probably be the roti canai. The one here was very fluffy and the chicken curry was quite delicious and complemented the roti perfectly. After stuffing ourselves again and again and again and following that up with some coffee, it was time to explore the other facilities of this hotel.
First of all, there's this large and inviting pool, replete with kids' water park features, with 2 water slides to satisfy even the most rambunctious of kids. And the pool water was nice and warm too. There was also an area where you could play some ping pong, some pretend badminton, and a bunch of board games as well. There's also a nice-sized gym, but it was under refurbishment when we were there. After some time hanging out there, it was finally time to get to our room. So let's check that out. The cool thing about this hotel is you can use your phone to unlock the door. And here's how you do it. First of all, you need to have the Marriott Bonvoy app installed on your phone. You need to have your Bluetooth on, and it has to stay on all the time. Once you've registered your card with the app, all you need to do is click on unlock door and hold your phone to the door. And there you go. The newly refurbished room was very nicely appointed with a minimalist yet classic look. There are convenient plug points with USB charging on both sides of the bed. Oop, what's that?
Looks like I bought some donuts from Tim Hortons at the nearby mall. I did a review of Tim Hortons, and if you're interested in checking that out, click here. There's this large mall called the IOI Mall next to the hotel, and the hotel offers a free shuttle service to and from the mall, and the trip will only take about roughly 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, back to the room tour. There's a nice sized fridge, and in addition to bottled water, they provide a nice selection of tea and coffee, all complimentary. The bathroom is also very nice. And there's shower seating. How luxurious it is to be able to sit down while having a warm shower after filming this long video for you guys. And just when you thought it couldn't get any more luxurious, there's a bathtub for you to soak in after filming this long video for you guys. There's an ample supply of toiletries here to ensure that you leave the bathroom looking and smelling your best. We certainly enjoyed our stay here, and I wouldn't be surprised if we stayed here again. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Jinx, and I'll see you in the next one.